Hey guys, my name's Kyle from Garage16. Today I'll be showing you guys the new hybrid short shifter for the 2022 Honda Civic and 2023 Acura Integra. This is a fully adjustable short shifter, multiple points to change the pins for the cables, height for the shift knob itself. It can reduce the throw by up to 50% and the gate width by up to 30% over stock. This one has a larger internal spring for better durability and return speed, as well as a carbon steel base plate and stainless steel pins. The shifter does come in two different colors, the dust red as you see, and also a dust black. If you're interested in buying one of these shifters or any hybrid racing products, visit us at garage16.ca or 7676 Kimball Street, Mississauga, Ontario.